Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a look at this Lenovo K9, which is a sort of a budget-oriented smartphone that was just launched in India. And as you can see, guys, this is sample unit, but this was actually launched in India for 8,999, and this is actually having a quad camera setup, two at the front, two at the back, and it's having a 5.7-inch screen. So let's quickly have a look at it. And it's been a while since we have tested any Lenovo phones, so let's quickly have a look at this one and see what we get. This actually comes with the new MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with the octa-core processor, and this is the handset itself. As you can see, some of the highlighting points, as you can see, it's having a 13 plus 5 megapixel both for the front and rear. So looks like they're going with the camera centric, and it has a 14.5 centimeter, that means 5.7-inch HD plus max vision display, it says, in the 18:9 aspect ratio. This is the Helio P22 chipset, which it is actually based on 12 nanometer process, so that's actually a nice thing. And it says it has dual 2.5D glass and a 3000 milliamp hour battery with USB Type-C. USB Type-C, this is amazing. I didn't expect that. And fingerprint reader. So let's just take this out, and we also have a cover here. So again, glass back and stuff. So in terms of looks, definitely because of this, it actually looks cool, but we'll come back to the handset later. Let's see what else do we get in the box. So this actually opens, we have quite a bit of stuff, some quick start guide and all those pamphlets, your warranty card and all those things. I'll keep that to the side. So we are also getting this case, TPU case. So let's put this in this one and see how it actually looks. So this is how it will look if you put it in a case. Nice to see vendors are giving at least these bundle cases in the box. And apart from that, as you can see, nothing much. This will be the USB Type-C cable that we are getting. So as you can see, it's USB Type-C. Nice to see USB Type-C, because most budget phones and even mid-range phones don't have USB Type-C. SIM ejector tool, and this will be the power brick. So remove that, and as you can see, it's a Lenovo branded one, and it is 5 volts at 2 amps. So that's what you are getting in the box. So let me keep these things to the side. And now let's quickly look at the handset itself. As you can see, it's having that 5.7-inch HD plus screen, and the handset is not that heavy. But first, let me give you a physical overview. On the top, actually, we have nothing, and here, if we go on the top, we have the volume rockers up and down, and below that we have the power on off button. Here we have one vent for the speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is your SIM tray. Let's have a look at it, what it has. And it's a hybrid solution, guys. So as you can see, you can put a micro SD card, but only one SIM, or you can put 2 nano SIM. So that's what it is. And looks like we also have a front facing flash for the dual camera setup. We have dual cameras here and flash. So, and back it just says Lenovo branding. And so let me just power this on. And by the time it actually boots and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Lenovo K9 is having a 5.7-inch HD plus screen in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core chipset. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, the rear-facing camera is a dual camera setup, 13 plus 5 megapixel, and even the front-facing camera is a 13 plus 5 megapixel, and it also has a front-facing flash. It also has fingerprint scanner and a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. So this is the launcher that we have. It's not stock Android, but very close to stock Android. As you can see on the left, we have the Google Paint, and here we have the system app tray. As you can see, and it also has that FM radio, and some apps are sort of pre-installed, as you can see on this device. But let's look under the hood and see what it is. And by the way, guys, this will be sold in India via Flipkart. I'll leave the link in the description. So quick toggles over here. And again, as you can see, this layout is also very close to stock Android. I'll just adjust the brightness, as you can see. And let's see the Android version that we get with this one. As you can see, it's running on the Android version 8.1. So as you can see, that's what it is. And August security update is also there. So that's what it is. So if you go back and look at the storage, Out of that 32 GB, you're going to get about 23.93 gigabytes, almost 24 gigabytes free. So that's regarding the storage in this device. And the handset is actually fairly light to hold because it just has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. But it's having the Helio P22 chipset, which is based on 12 nanometer process. It should last easily. And this is the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, guys. Very fast fingerprint scanner. As you can see, no issues regarding that. So Google Apps and stuff are pre-installed. And this P22 is actually a nice chip. I had even made a dedicated video around that. I'll leave the link for that one in the description area for more info. So as you can see, no lag that I'm noticing within the UI. Let's see if we can uninstall these apps. Yes, you can uninstall some of the pre-installed apps, as you can see. Now, the biggest thing about this one is that they have put actually 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back, and it's with the same configuration. Generally, you see only like average cameras in the front, but here it's the same configuration, 13+5 and 13+5. So let's quickly have a look at the camera on this. So this is the interface that we are getting, and as you can see, we have video mode, we have photo mode, bokeh, and panorama. Simple stuff, and it also has HDR over here. Let's say, so let's take some snaps and see. And as you can see, it is fast. It took the photograph. Let me increase the volume. And with the volume rockers also, guys, it acts as a shutter button. As you can see, I use the volume rocker, and both with the plus and minus it works. So that also is acting like a shutter button. Let's go to the bokeh mode here. Oh, you can adjust the bokeh that you want. As you can see, you can make it blurry and stuff. The background is actually becoming blurry in real time. And again, notice that no lag even with that dual camera setup. That's because of this chipset. That's the Helio P22. As you can see, this was in the bokeh mode. This was this was regular, this was in that bokeh mode. As you can see, the background blur that we are seeing. Now let's also look at the front facing camera of this one. I have, and as you can see, autofocusing is there. You see that box on my face. Again, that is also fast. Obviously this might be the beauty mode. Yeah, we have the beauty mode. So let's go. We also have the bokeh mode, and again, even here you can adjust how much background blur that you want in this mode. As you can see, f2, it goes up to f1.1. That's crazy. Here are some of the sample shots that I shot with the Lenovo K9's rear-facing camera in artificial lighting condition. And as you can see, in artificial lighting conditions also, it's doing a good job considering the price point of the device. And here are some of the sample shots taken in my roof garden. And it was almost sunset, pretty low lighting. And then also, as you can see, the pictures actually came out to be pretty good. So even the rear-facing camera performance is actually good. And here are some of the selfies that I shot with the front-facing camera of this Lenovo K9. And these are the selfies that I shot in artificial lighting conditions inside my office with this K9. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Lenovo K9 smartphone. This smartphone will be sold in India via Flipkart for 8,999 rupees. So anyways, what do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it for now for this unboxing and first look at this Lenovo K9. If you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.